Honorable Governor Jing, His Excellency Ambassador Lee, Ambassador Ferrari, distinguished guests, I am very pleased to welcome and celebrate the signing of the agreement between CKB and FAW, a tangible result of the excellent collaboration that is at the heart of our relationship between Italy and China. I would like to thank you all for the invitation, also on behalf of Minister Luigi Di Maio. The relationship is growing even stronger in many directions and different fields, from commerce to investment, from industrial collaboration to joint research projects to connectivity, e-commerce and innovation. Our collaboration in all these areas has gained ever greater momentum since March 2019, when President Xi Jinping visited Rome and our countries agreed to collaborate along the Belt and Road. This happened just over a year ago. The plan back then was to meet again in 2020 to celebrate the results of our collaboration, the 50th anniversary of our diplomatic relations, and the bilateral year of culture and tourism. Things have gone differently, and we are forced to see each other today by a video conference for this reason. Still, the common challenge we face, this pandemic, is reinvigorating international solidarity and our close friendship. Italy supported China when the virus first hit, and China reciprocated when Italy was in dire need of help. For this, let me thank you once again. Now, the time has come for us to look and plan ahead. We need to restart the economic engines of our countries, stimulate exports and investment, boost market confidence, and create new business opportunities for entrepreneurs and job opportunities for those who have been damaged by the crisis. This is the direction in which the Italian government is going with conviction, sparing no effort and resources. This is why I salute the agreement between CKB and FAW as a symbol of the resilience of our two economic systems and as a good omen for the future. This is also an opportunity for me to reaffirm the commitment of the Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation and of the Italian government in general to support foreign companies that decide to invest in Italy, contributing to the prosperity and well-being of our country. Just to give you some number, in the last years, foreign direct investments in Italy continued to grow. Only in 2018, the flow of foreign direct investments in Italy amounted to 26.5 billion euros, which is plus 150% increase year on year. This demonstrates the enduring appeal of the country's business environment, in which our strong brands and robust manufacturing sectors play a leading role. Traditionally, our country has been one of the preferred destinations for Chinese FDI in Europe. In the last 10 years, Italy has been the third recipient of Chinese investments in Europe after UK and Germany, with industrial products, mechanical components, and technologies as the main areas of interest. The project presented today is a demonstration of this fruitful economic cooperation. We are pleased to see that First Automobile Works, the first Chinese car manufacturer, chose Italy for its first premium production project outside China. The partnership with CKB will have its center in the Italian Motor Valley, the automotive cluster in Emilia-Romagna. Emilia-Romagna is the region where some of the world's most renewed automobile and motorcycles brands were born. Just to name a few, I'm sure you know every one of them: Ferrari, Lamborghini, Maserati, and Ducati, and where a wide supply chain developed the highly productive and profitable cluster, thanks to a strong cultural tradition coupled with investments and innovation, an example of the excellence of our Made in Italy we are very proud of. The launch of this project is an important sign of the confidence foreign investors have in the strength and reliability of the Italian market, in a very difficult moment of our territory and our community, as it is the case also in China due to the COVID-19 emergence. We are very proud of the reaction our country had to such an unprecedented challenge. The contribution of citizens and companies has been crucial to overcome the epidemic and to lay the foundation of a sound recovery. To this end, the Italian government is adopting ambitious economic policies to mitigate the impact of the emergency from COVID-19 on the economic system and to preserve the production capacity and international competitiveness of our companies. In such a difficult moment for the world's economy, the government is well aware of the need to support foreign investors operating and willing to operate in Italy. We also know that the automotive sector has been one of the most affected by the current crisis. Production has been at a standstill across the world, with production sites closed for several weeks and many thousands of employees on temporary short working conditions or not working at all. As a result, supply chains across the globe have suffered. In Italy, the automotive and components industry has been among the first sectors to gradually restart its operations after the peak of the health crisis, as it has been identified by the government as one of the priority sectors for our economy. In addition, some big Italian car manufacturers have been among the first companies to design and implement protocols for prevention and protection of health and safety at the workplace in times of COVID-19. Protocols that have been a best practice example for other companies to follow. We are sure the sector will prove its strength and resilience, and it will be able to revive in its full significance after the crisis. The government will support the growth and evolution of the sector, for example, through its program Transition 4.0, with tax credits for capital goods, R&D, innovation and training, with a focus on green investments and design, and with the National Innovation Fund, with 1 billion euros dedicated to the promotion of innovation. As I mentioned, automotive is considered a top priority for the Italian economy. The Italian automotive sector has indeed always stood out as a key engine for economic growth in Italy and in Europe. The Italian industry is among the leaders in Europe in terms of production volumes, with the highest growth in export and in the last 10 years, and is currently among the top 10 exporting countries at a global level. In this sector, Italy has indeed the competitive advantage of having a unique and complete supply chain, what we call from concept to car, that allows us to reach an excellence that is recognized worldwide, from components to design to quality and innovation of production processes. We are sure that our sound supply chain will be able to support the ambitious goals of the project that First Automobile Works and FAW are presenting today, to combine cutting-edge technology and innovative materials with a new and sustainable driving experience. I wish you all the success in this new project, and I'm sure that you are in the right place to embrace all the challenges that the industry will go through in addressing the technological revolution we are living today.